Hey everyone, what's up? On the Velar channel today, I'll show you how to appeal an Epic Games ban. When a ban is placed on your account, you'll receive an email, a letter explaining the reasons for the ban and what to do about it. Here it is. It's best to respond to that letter directly. But if for some reason you don't have that email, or you don't have access to your inbox, then go to your browser and search for Epic Games support email. So we have the corresponding email address right here. Copy it, open your email client, hit compose, and send your message there. Write ban appeal as the subject line, and in the body, describe your issue as clearly and thoroughly as possible. For example, something like, "Hello, I want to appeal my banned account." Then write your username and also include your user ID if you have it. Then continue writing your message. Include the email address that was linked to the account. There it is. You can also include your account ID if you have it. There it is. Then write, "Please review my ban and unblock my account." And you can also request that they provide you with additional information. Overall, that's what the letter looks like. Hit send and wait for a response. They may either lift the ban, request more information, or just let you know what to do next. This was Vela. See you all later.